we divide 997 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting it is 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 997 divided by 2 is 498 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.